In this video we will see the manufacturing process of Oceco BLDC fans inside the factory. First, the raw materials of the fans are brought to the factory for assembling. Here, the fans' blades are punched and installed with the flange for rotor fixing. The blades are then dipped into anti-rust chemical coating. And now, the blades are painted by powder color spray. Next, the assembled fan blades are inspected, using weight and degree machine to ensure proper alignment. Now, casted motor body core is shaped and drilled for the fitting. Now, the surface of the bowl is polished to give a smooth and shiny look. Thereafter, butterfly disc is installed on the winding machine, and high-quality copper wire is wounded onto the stator core. After winding, the wire is cut to the prescribed length, after which the start and end points of the winding are joined by soldering. Next, the core parts of the motor are assembled, and the rotor magnet is magnetized. After that, the shaft is press-fitted while assembling the stator and rotor. After winding and assembly of the motor, high voltage and some functional tests are also carried out. Here, PCB board is prepared for LED lights installed in fans. Also, the lights are made by doping semiconductor material, attaching electrodes, and encapsulating them in a protective casing. After successful testing, the LED lights are installed in the fan housing, and a light diffuser is fitted over the LEDs. Finally, once the fence is assembled, the fence is packed and stored for distribution.